NHLer Brett Howden was the central figure in what was a day of procedural wrangling, even if he never made an appearance. Frustrated with his Tuesday testimony, the Crown argued she should be allowed to cross-examine Howden on 18 areas where she says there were inconsistencies between what he told court and previous statements he had given investigators. Mr. Howden's memory loss is a feigned memory loss, not a sincere one, Crown Megan Cunningham said. His memory loss in my submission is directly related to details that will be particularly damning for the defendants, who are his former teammates and friends. Those teammates, Michael McLeod, Alex Fermenton, Carter Hart, Dylan Dubé, and Cal Foote, are accused of sexually assaulting a woman. They have all pleaded not guilty. Hart's defense lawyer, Megan Savard, pushed back on the Crown, saying Howden, who had testified in a hoodie, is plainly unsophisticated. He didn't come to court dressed for court. He is inarticulate and a poor communicator, careless with words, she said. His testimony, she argued, wasn't helpful to either side. We may all say at the end of the day, this witness is generally useless, but he is certainly not helpful to the defense, she said. In the end, Justice Maria Caracia ruled, I cannot find that Mr. Howden is feigning lack of memory or is being insincere. But she did side with the Crown on 4 areas of inconsistency, plunging the lawyers into more procedural work to determine next steps in the Crown's bid to extract specific testimony from her own witness. Criminal defense lawyer Sam Puhala isn't involved in the case but is watching it closely.
So there's information in the statement that's more useful to the Crown in terms of the evidence that they believe this witness means. And so that's why they applied to cross-examine their own witness, because the evidence that was coming out at trial was not what they anticipated.
It's another twist in this weeks-long trial, but Puhala says these procedural delays are important to make sure the law is being applied properly and to make appeals less likely later. Katie Nicholson, CBC News, London, Ontario.